Spice tells story about her road manager abandoning her while they had a gas leak.
This a road manager, yeah man. Let me fi boom up.
Some if you go make some if you don't. You have to save myself first. Then if you because save you. Yeah, I have to save myself first.
Me say this a man that left me fi boom up in the car. The man run out of the car.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now today I have an exciting video to share with y'all, right? Because Spice says she and her road manager are roll and, you know, they went to get some gas at the gas station and something happened. So what happened? Spice said, you know, since Ima drive her around, she said she will pay for the gas. But while they're there pumping the gas, you know, things start overflow and gas start run everywhere, and she got telling you what going on in the story. So I'm gonna play the video for you in a second so you can hear what going on. But people may telling a beer laugh, me laugh when me watch it. So me know say you not gonna end up a laugh too, because Spice and Ima laugh when time she tell the story. So let's take a look at the first part of the video. Here goes.
True, Adrian say me take out my purse. Adrian no normally full in gas tank. Adrian put in like a 2,000 gas in them car and go on and have a merry day. Adrian put in like a 3,000 in them car and have a merry day. True, Adrian said me take out my purse to pay for the gas. Hear him to the pump attendant. Full it up. See me I look on him. Them say we turn off the AC, Spice. That's what the AC load.
This, we turn it off.
Oh, this is this, so the people them have sense. Hear him to the pump attendant. Full it up.
Full the tank, yes.
Full the tank. So me I look at him now like, him on glass if he full the tank try me take out my purse, you know. When him a pay for the gas, him nah full it up in them. I put him put it down. No.
Yeah.
So him tell the pump for full, but here what go on now. When him tell the pump attendant if he full up the car tank now. The poor car. No you. The poor car not used to forget full up. So when the pump attendants are full up, I full the gas tank now. The woman see me at the pump and left the pump in the sitting there full and come and look for me and I tell her friend, no spice that. And then through the car not used to be full.
You ever full?
The car start pick up me and yes already.
Well, them a laugh about it now, but that sound like something pretty serious because you know not so long ago we see one gas station catch a fire for the same thing, gas a overflow, and then one little sparks just goes a boom and the place catch a fire. You see me? But you know, in the next part of the story now, Spice I go tell you know what actually happened once the gas start run, cause we don't understand now the gas a run, the place overflow. In the next part, you know, Spice I go explain who start run left who and who take we gone over hardware and who jump in at, you know what? Make she talk about it. Here goes.
You know, me slung in the car front. I be a gas a run out in the gas station. I flood out. So wait now. Me in the car, me know say the place a flood out, you know.
Me see it.
Agent pull the car door and see the place a flood out. Cause remember say the gas station they boom up down a country. You know how me know say the gas are full up and I run out.
One man
say, oh, me not hearing me the on my phone.
Man say, you
see the car overflow.
I be a gas around for the ground. So me know.
Hold on. Agent pull film side of the car door.
Yo, but never said me run out. We come take you out of the car. You try, you know. I get a fucking job.
Agent run out. Pull film side of the car door. I run out of the car. Let me.
You look back hard. You come back hard.
You know what all me do is say something wrong? When we say Adrian pan him back and slide and go in.
The gas drop me, you know.
Hey, I was a pressure. Mr. Adrian slide pan him back out and door and I slide and go to the gas station and run. I run and go and say, yes, I want the blood.
Me dead to gas, me dead, me nah lie, me think me dead.
When the woman say, when the woman come and say, Mama, come out of the car, come out of the car, come out of the car, the whole of the gas a leak out. Me look and say, Adrian, no, there's a slider go, the gas cause he pulled the car door. The run out of the car, left me in the car for boom up, you know.
No, me not left you in the car. Me come to get you out.
You're not come to take me out.
You will be reaching on your side, you're gone. You're gone. We across the road over fields all the way you're reaching over the food in the yard, you know.
Jado Star, so no year what go on. Spice by the time she find out say the gas are leaking at the place, the man gone left her already. And he must say, by the time him look for try to help Spice, Spice gone left him. So I who really run left who. But in other part, you know, Spice will make it clear her next move. Cause Spice says she see a taxi man and she just do the business. So me I go play the video for now and make she tell her no other part you go. Here goes.
Me I say, oh Spice, come out to the food now and I say it's an emergency.
Hold on. Me say, yes, when me say, he left me in the car for the people. You know where do it?
I'm telling you no.
Me say, look here. Me say the man gas up. If anything, it's a light of blood clot. He pull the door and the gas slide him go away. Be a gas in them clothes if ever light and matches.
Dead man.
He's dead.
Apart they are true. But me tell yourself you come out of the car cause me and say
hey, John, you don't tell me.
Gas. And you say,
what
you say where? No man, and you say where?
Ding dang,
you say the man after the car and run out cause they pump with 7,000.
Listen, moral of the last story, the car no used to be full up. So through him go see me take out my purse and I tell him full up it. The car catch diarrhea and vomit up, puke out the whole of the gas can. I say what is we never get full tank yet and puke up the whole place. Me say, you hear the story you know? You see me see the boy run out of the car and left me in the car. One taxi man there in the gas station. I'm just say, hey, you work? I can't go straight. I say, hey, you work? You know, I want to move and I can't go anywhere. Me have a food, me eat my food. I just take up my food. I take up my handbag. I say, hey, John.
Call me if anything happen. That means they left me for dead. You see so much no, like how you fuck.
Yo, I just left me blood clot out of the gas station.
Now, again. That would never happen again.
Yo.
So me just start put me 2,000 and 3,000 like it's not my car. Cause I'm like something wrong with the car. I something wrong with the car. So I just put 2,000 against my car.
Hold on now. Hold on.
You can never get me that food.
Oh, remember the story, you know, him came to the gas station a while ago and pull off and me said, me will buy the gas. Him look for me. He came to the pump attendant. Give me 3,000. Me say a fucker.
That me a talk about people. Spice a real good storyteller, you see me I say, because all Spice I talk I just laugh me there I laugh. I laugh very infectious and you can't help but to laugh at this story. You see me I say, but people who run left who? Because if the man run left Spice in the car as Spice say, and the man I say, when him look Spice gone already with the food cross the road, and then Spice take a taxi and actually left him on the spot with the car. Who run left who? You see me I say, I don't know, they tell me down in the comment section. But people you know what I mean, let me know what you think about Spice's story. I love to see that she and her road manager will have vibes, you know, then can laugh about this. I'm sure at the time when it happened, it was a serious thing, but you know what I mean, them get over it and them there, you know, and can look back on it and laugh and know, say, yo, next time, you know, you take more precaution or whatever, even though it wasn't their fault from what I heard. But people, that's where I'm going to leave it today, right? So that's the end of today's video. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now, everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there and do the right thing. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, rich, punk, should know, 10 to blacks, yeah,